Hi, I'm Dr. Andy Pavanka, head clinician here at ScoliCare East Phoenix, and today we're joined by a couple of our patients. We have Isabella and her mom Bertha, and they've been treating with us for a couple of years now, and they're going to go through a little bit of their story about why they came here, why they chose ScoliCare, and their results. So, Bertha, how would you say that you found ScoliCare?
Um, well, when we first got the diagnosis that Isabella had scoliosis, we were referred to a doctor who pretty much was ready to just stick her in a brace,
Mhm.
not like the one that we have here, but and just kind of told us that, this is the brace she's in. This will keep her from her degree continuing to grow, her degree band continuing to grow. But that was it. That was kind of like this is what she's going to have to wear for the rest of her life, just to, keep it from bending. But it kind of made it sound like it was like a lifelong sentence. And
Mhm.
so I just went home and was feeling, a little discouraged for my kid and that news. And I just thought there had to be something else. And so I went online and I just started looking for just some alternative, practices. I just thought there had to be. So I found a list. I think it was like maybe three or four. And I think I had called one was in Scottsdale. It was aquatic. And then I had ScoliBrace care on my list as well. And so I called Scoli, considering also just because it was local. And we came in and we talked. I was looking up and researching ScoliBrace, and we came here. And you know I feel like once we knew your knowledge, but not only that, like your family history,
Mhm.
that gave me the confidence, and I think Isabella the confidence to just trust our care with you. And so we really just kind of stopped looking at that point, and just trusted that this was a place we were supposed to be.
What have your results been? Do you feel like you've gained the result you're looking for, not just stabilization, not a lifetime in a brace, but actually some correction?
Yeah, more than that. I feel like Isabella at this point is thriving. I know that when she was first given her diagnosis, I think it was like, oh gosh, 28 degree or something like that. I'm trying to remember. Um, 30, was it 36, 28? I can't remember the
Yeah, I believe it was
number,
in the 30s.
but 30s. Yeah, you're probably right, actually, 30s. Um, and I just remember feeling glum at that point. But no, I mean, Isabella's half the time when she's not even in her brace. I mean, you wouldn't know this kid is thriving. She's doing theater, she's doing cross country. She's just excelling. And her confidence, is at a great place with it. And so, no, I feel like it's ScoliCare is delivered above and beyond what we thought.
What are your feelings on it, Isabella? How have you done in your brace and your treatment over the last couple of years?
I feel like I've not only progressed, but like in a way that I want to, but also in a way where it's like I can feel more confident that like I'm gonna be okay, and like my mom said that like I'm not sentenced to a life where I'll always have the degree, but, like to a point where like I can actually feel confident that like it won't always be there, um, into a fact or to a point to where like I can just be able to do things that like I want to be able to do as well in life.
And how has living life in your brace been? Has it been
Um,
challenging or has it been doable?
Kind of both actually. Like in the beginning, it was like really challenging. It was like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Like, what will people do? Like originally, I had a roller bag, and so it was like I'd go around places, and people would just be like,
Well, that was the
okay,
roller bag, and that was
yeah,
kind of my decision, right? As a
Mm-hmm.
parent, my
Not to carry a
fear, my
backpack
worry.
on your
Yeah,
spine, yeah.
that wasn't anything you had said, but definitely,
Mm-hmm.
if I could go back. But in regards to the Scully bracelet itself,
yeah. I mean, like it kind of combined. I kind of combined both of them for myself, like because I found my identity at that beginning, like with the brace, and then with the roller bag, like that kind of attached onto the brace in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Um, like as I progressed further into my life, I've realized like it's honestly doable. Like as long as you're dedicated and as long as like you keep going, you have a
Mm-hmm.
goal and you're trying to reach that goal. Like that's all that really matters.
Right.
Like and you can just find what's the word I'm looking for? Courage and hope that like as long as you keep going, you're gonna get somewhere.
Right. And do you currently have your brace on right now?
Yes, actually I do. Right here. You wouldn't even know. I tuck it under beneath my pants. Um
yeah, half the
and
time I don't even realize, like from the minute she's been wearing it. Kids wear their shirts fairly big, but even, I mean, this is just about her size here, and no one can usually tell that she even has it on unless someone goes to hug her, then they know. But yeah.
And this poster on the wall behind us is actually Isabella's improvements over the last couple of years. She's gone from having a 38-degree curve down to around a curve that's around 10 degrees because of the overcorrective brace that we provide, the ScoliBrace. And so I think Isabella's story is great for people to hear because all teenagers start the same way. They feel hopeless. They feel like a brace is going to be very hard to live with. But Isabella is a great testament to what can actually happen if you just wear the brace, let it do what it's supposed to do, live life in it. Eventually it becomes something that you're just confident in wearing, and it's going to be, the best thing you can do. So we're very happy you guys found us. We're super blessed that you're here. And if you have questions about scoliosis, you can contact us here at ScoliCare. Our phone number is 480-892-0022, or our web address is scolicare.com/east-phoenix-arizona. Again, I'm Dr. Andy with ScoliCare, where we provide the right treatment at the right time.